Our video is about removing the online scam related to the site Doitf2.click. Some people see these pretty strange pop-ups by Doitf2.click. It's a dangerous site targeting Google Chrome and other browsers, and it tries to make you basically scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups by Doitf2.click, do not tolerate them. These pop-ups are fake. So just leave this deceptive page. I would also recommend you to additionally investigate the computer with Combo Cleaner. So get it on the page combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, start thoroughly investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and then eliminate other threats which might still possibly stealthily remain on this system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.